Teachers spend hours every single week grading papers. It's exhausting, repetitive, and honestly, it can take away from the time we'd rather spend actually teaching. But what if you could cut your grading time in half, without sacrificing quality? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to grade papers using ChatGPT. Welcome to Teach Smarter AI, where we explore practical ways educators can save time and stress using artificial intelligence. If grading has ever left you buried in papers, this video is definitely for you. Let's face it, grading can eat up 5, 10, even 15 hours of your week. And while it's important, it's also one of the most time-consuming parts of teaching. That's where ChatGPT can step in, not to replace you, but to act as a grading assistant that helps speed up the process. So how does it work? ChatGPT can give you structured feedback, highlight strengths and weaknesses, and even assign scores if you provide a rubric. Think of it as a teaching assistant that organizes your thoughts, so you can focus on adding the personal touch your students need. Let's try it out. I have a short essay. I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT with this rubric. Thesis statement, 10 points. Evidence and examples, 20 points. Organization, 10 points. Grammar and mechanics, 10 points. Now let's see what ChatGPT gives us. And it even gives a short feedback summary. Strong essay overall. Work on expanding evidence for more depth. That's structured, clear, and it only took a few seconds. Now here's the important part. You shouldn't just copy and paste this back to students. AI is a great starting point, but you'll want to review the feedback, adjust the scores. Students value your personal connection, and that's something no AI can replace. So, does grading with ChatGPT actually work? Absolutely, as long as you use it the right way. It can cut hours off your grading time, give you clear structures to work with, and let you focus on what matters most, helping your students grow. What about you? Would you try grading papers with ChatGPT? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to teach smarter with AI. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.